What is up, guys? We are going to be doing a tier list just based on the dinosaurs I have. We'll probably be doing a tier list right here, have it kind of against the tree. Alright, oh wait, I don't know. Alright, now let's look at the first thing we have. First person mode. That is gonna be the Nubosaurus. So Nubosaurus isn't like, it's not good, but it's not, it's like mid. Very mid. Very mid. The size is bad, the health is bad, the attack is like mid. The storage is a little less than mid. The speed is, storage and speed are alright. The attack is okay, and the size and health is terrible. So, just based on that, I think what we are going to do is we're going to be putting it in D tier. Because there might be some worse. The next one is actually the Razor Claw. People say this is way worse, or it's like almost as bad. Which the only thing that's really different is the size. The color, I'm also going to be going off color variations. Because Razor Claws are just sick, dude. You can't tell me, look at this. Alright, mid or bad. And then look at this. All this stuff looks so cool. The size, it's mid. The health, it's bad. Attack, it's good. Storage and speed are mid as well. So overall, I think I'm gonna be giving it high D tier. So like D plus. Is, what's my next one? Ooh, Raptors. Yes, Raptors. These guys, they're not much better, but like they're so good. This is like, I leveled this one up all the way all by myself for such a long time. The size is alright. The health is bad. The attack is good. The storage, it's alright. Speed, good. And it's like, it's very fast. It's more versatile. So, in all that, I was gonna put it in C, but it's just so good. And like, you can't really get it anymore now that we're in the new Cal update. But so for that reason, I'm gonna put it in B tier. Yo, who did that? Alright, now what's next? Ooh, the Magmadon. I think this is the first introduced Titan, and it's going away. Yeah, look at this. Size, amazing. Health, like good. Attack, amazing. Storage, bad. Speed, good. You can't tell me that's not good, bro. For that reason, I'm gonna give it A+. That's how good it is, bro. A+. No debates. Actually, I'm gonna give it A tier, because there might be better Titans and better stuff. Dang. Alright. What is next? Ooh. The Torknash, which is, if I am right, I think the first tank. Size, amazing. Health, good. Attack, alright. Storage, incredibly amazing. Speed, good. And like, it's almost as good, but like 4-3-2-5-3 versus 4-3-4 1-3. Ooh, actually, I'm gonna be moving Magmadon to B plus and moving Torknash to A. Torknash is better. Alright,